Let's do preorder traversal. I'm going to use Java 8. So what we have to do is we're going to traverse. Remember, use recursion, which the function name here is preorder. So you just call itself. So first you got to think about what is the base case. When the given input, which is called root here, that is null. We're going to just return, not do anything, and see it's void. Else, if there's a node to process, we're going to process it. In this case, they want us to print the values. We're going to do system.out.print the value itself, which is root.data, and then we're going to add a space with concatenation so that the next one has a space in between. And that's the processing part. Remember, when we do preorder, we do the processing first. After that, we do the recursive call on the left and then on the right if they exist. So if root.left, if there is something that exists, is not null, we're gonna traverse or preorder, which is the name of the function here, the root.left node. And then after that, if in the same manner, if root.right does exist, we're gonna do a traversal on root.right, and that is it. That should do it. As you can see, your output here, my output is 1 space, 2 space, 5 space, 3 space, 4 space, 6, and there's a space here, but it doesn't really matter, but the expected. So it matches. Like I told you before, the way you visualize is you start drawing a line here in the sample input. Start drawing a line starting from the left, and as you reach the nodes from the left, you're gonna process or print their value. In this case, the node, if you look to its left, it has kind of touched or looked at the line that or the curve that you're drawing. Therefore, I'm going to print 1. And then, okay, I've touched 2 from the left, I'm going to print 2. I've touched 5 from the left, going to print 5. I'm going to touch 3 from the left, going to print 3. I've touched 4 from the left, going to print 4. And then I can go up here like surrounding it. And I see that I touch 6 from the left, I'm going to print it. And that's it. Go all the way up back to the root. Now, as you can see this, it tells you about how to visualize the order of preorder. Now, as you're going to see later, we can do the same thing for in order and post order. In order be when you kind of touch it from the bottom, from down, and post order be when you touch it from the right-hand side. If you like this lecture, consider donating, giving us a tip. Here are my QR codes. Please help us out.